Hi there, this is Shrikant Dasari. So in this lesson, we are going to learn about how the compound assignment operator is going to work within our programming languages like C or C++ or in case in Java, whatever it is. Okay, so the operators mostly work the same in all the languages except increment and decrement operators. Okay, just in the previous examples, we were learning about the various ways how the postfix or prefix increment works in different situations within a programming language. So let us look about the compound assignment operator. Okay, the compound assignment operator is nothing but when you combine more than one form of operators like arithmetic and assignment operator, and this is known as compound assignment operator, or it is also known as arithmetic assignment operator. Okay, so whatever, there are different names given in different books, something like this. Okay, so first let me take a variable here. I'm just saying that a is equal to 10. Okay, so just next I am building an expression here. I'm just saying here, so what I'm saying here is, let me take a is equal to 20. Okay, a is equal to 20, and let me build a small expression here. My plus is equal to p and minus is equal to c, star equal to d, and slash equal to 2. Okay, something like this. I have built an expression, and let me print all those values once again. Okay, so let me print all those values: percentage t, percentage t, percentage t, percentage t, and a comma b comma c comma t. Okay, so if you go to the result here, if you execute the program, if everything goes well, the result you are going to get is something like, oh, just you have, oh, I'm just using all these variables. Okay, so just I've done a small mistake here. I didn't declare the variables, I'm just keep on using them. Okay, that's a silly mistake here. So a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to d is equal to 20. Okay, so now if you execute the code here, oops, I forgot this get ch here. Okay, so let me run the code, and let me little bit increase the font here. Console is 36, and let me change the colors also, so black and white. Okay, so you get the result as minus 160, 180, 210 here. Okay, so you got wonder how you might think that something differently. Okay, so but that is not the case here. Since this is an assignment operator, the precedence or the evaluation starts from the right. Okay, the first point which should come into your mind is that you are using an assignment operator here, and the evaluation starts from the right. Okay, so first and foremost, it will execute this thing, this part here. Okay, so 20 by 2, which is 10. Okay, the quotient is 10, and then the value of d, for that reason the value of d became, if you execute the program here, 10. Okay, so and then you have 10, and if you say something like this, c is equal to, c is already 20, and 10, c star is equal to 10. Okay, so that is evaluated to something like this. Okay, so c star is equal to 10. Okay, so which is equivalent to something like this: c is equal to c star 20. That means again that is equivalent to c is equal to 20, sorry, c is equal to 20 star 10. Okay, so c is already 20 and it is 10 here. C is equal to 20 star 10, which is c is equal to 200. Okay, so for that reason, if you execute the code here, you are getting here 200. Okay, so you have c as 200, and b minus is equal to 200. Okay, so the next expression would evaluate something like this. It says b minus is equal to 200. Okay, so which means that b is equal to b minus 200, and already we know that the value of b is 20, so that is again computed to b is equal to 20 minus 200, so which is equivalent to, so which is somewhat equivalent to minus 180. Okay, so for this reason the value of b is fetched as minus 180 here. Okay, so for this reason the value of b is fetched as minus 180, and then you have minus 180 here, and next you have the expression something like this: a minus equal to minus 180. 80. Okay, so you have something like an expression like this, and which is computed to something like this: a is equal to a minus of minus 180. Sorry, a plus is equal to, sorry, not minus, equal to, so a plus equal to 180, which is evaluated to something like this: a is equal to a plus of minus 180. Okay, so again it is evaluated to a is equal to a minus 180 according to the mathematic rules. If we apply here again, that is computed to a is equal to 20 minus 180. Okay, so 20 minus 180, so again, and that is evaluated to minus 160. Okay, so if you go back to your, if you execute once again, that's the reason in the very beginning you are getting minus 160 here. Okay, so in this way your thinking should change immediately. So when you are using arithmetic operators, especially, okay, so you get the idea. So your thinking must change according to the program we are executing, or according to the operator we are using. The operators, based on their precedence and evaluation order, the results change all the time. Okay, so see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.